Hi everyone, I'm Bounty from Said With Love. Thanks for coming back to my channel, and we are doing the So Sampler October box reveal. This one's a good one. It's got one of my favourite designers in it and lots of fabrics. I can't wait to show you all the goodies inside. So Sampler for October, and all you need is love. Ooh, I can see the fabric. Okay, quickly looking at the code, it's 15% off gifts and accessories. So that's fantastic. All you need is love. That's really pretty. Really pretty. Okay, that's my little booklet telling me all the goodies inside. But guess what? Lighthearted fabric by Camille Ross Kelly. I've already got quite a bit of this collection. It was a very popular one in my shop. But wow, 3 charm packs. That is fantastic. You can do a lot with 3 charm packs, so very happy with that. I think I've only got 1 charm pack in my stash, so very happy. Oh, how cute. And this is a little zipper pull by Camille. That is so sweet, sort of the rainbow with the little love heart in it. Oh, cute. Okay, what's this? A little seam width gauge. Oh, that's interesting. Might have to read my little booklet about that one. I haven't seen that type of thing before. Here we go. What does it say? The seam width gauge. This handy little notion will be a steadfast companion to your sewing machine. Use it to quickly adjust seam widths by finding the side with the seam width you need. Okay, so there's my 1/4 inch. It's a 3/8, get it on the right side, 1/4 inch, 3/8, 1/2 inch and 5/8. Aligning the edge along your fabric edge and moving the needle position to the needle hole. Oh, there are tiny little needle holes in each of the little spots. Oh, that's kind of cool. That'll be a handy one next to your sewing machine when you want to double check your 1/4 inch seam. Or if you're doing something else, 1/2 inch or something. Okay, get that little plastic bit off so you can see it a bit better. Okay, so that would be the side you use. So, okay, I want to get my 1/4 inch. I've got my fabric, and I've got the edge of my fabric in there. And so that tiny little needle hole would be where I put my needle. And there's your perfect 1/4 inch. And similarly, if I wanted to do a 3/8 inch. Very handy. So that's by Dritz. What else have we got in this container? The Love Charm Tote Kit. Oh, that's a nice looking little tote bag. And it's on one of June Taylor's pre-printed sort of wadding kind of things. So it's nice and simple. It's very much beginner friendly. That's a lovely tote bag. That'll be fun. So hence we've got 3 charm packs. Okay, so here's all of our instructions as well to go with our tote bag. And what's our pattern? Heart and Soul quilt pattern. So just charm squares by the looks of it into a sort of using the red to make the shape of the heart. That's kind of cute. It's finished size 50 by 50. Exclusive to the So Sampler box, of course. So we've got 3 charm packs, and we're going to need 5/8 of a yard for some binding. Let me have a quick squeeze. So yes, you are going to use pretty much all of your 3 charm packs to get that, but you could add perhaps a little bit of, if you manage to have another charm pack like I do in my stash, you could make that a little bit bigger to make it a slightly larger size, but that's a cute pattern. That's a lovely pattern. And the last thing in our box is this month's little quilt along for the pressed flowers, and it's a zinnia. That's sweet. Okay, well that's a pretty good box. So we've got the 3 charm packs by Camille for her Lighthearted. We've got the really lovely little zipper pull. That is sweet. Lovely pattern. The cute charm tote kit pattern. Actually, let me just have a quick read to see how many You need about 35 charm squares for that one. So you probably will need it. Another charm pack. And this cute little seam allowance guide, which I think is going to be really handy, especially, I mean, I know exactly where the 1/4 inch seam is on my sewing machine, but when I've got to do something a little bit different, I'm making a bag or perhaps starting to get into garment sewing, you need a different seam allowance. So this would be very handy, but also great in your kit bag if you have to use somebody else's sewing machine. So that one's really cool. So that is a pretty good sew sampler box.